Hey, are you a fan of Brady Circus's, more specifically, succinctly, music? Maybe you're a techno music fan like myself. My preferred music genre is techno music without vocals. If you are, I'm going to discuss in this video how to use MusicMogul AI service. Now, this is targeted more towards independent artists, booking agents, managers. Hey, maybe you or I will make it big as a booking agent, even though we don't have any, experience or idea, and we'll make millions. I doubt that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is that you want to browse to this website, musicmoguলাই.com. The Uniform Resource Locator is highlighted on screen. All you have to do is type that into the address bar of your preferred web browser. It's musicmoguলাই.com, and you'll see this page. Now, I couldn't find any instructions on how to actually use the service really. And so the first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to sign up. However, which I thought this was a bit sketchy, it is a Google Docs. So what you'll want to do is on the home page, you can click on sign up, or if you browse up, click on get started. And it will open up this Google Docs. Now, and you have to fill out the form. It's not like you can sign up and they don't have a free trial. They don't have a price list, or they don't have a page where they show their prices or anything like that. So you're going to have to apply. So you're going to have to fill out this lengthy Google Docs. To me, it's a little bit sketchy because you want to keep forms on your domain. They could have hired a web developer. They could have just created a really quick hypertext markup language web page and a script, and then the script would take your information after you filled out the form, and then it would email them. The problem with this is that their Google account may get suspended, terminated. They may forget their password. They may lose access to it. You just don't know. So when you rely on third parties, crises can occur. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now, basically what you do is once you're accepted and approved by this business, MusicMogul AI. Now, I believe the creator, founder, I don't know if they personally developed the website, but they created this company. I think they're a booking agent, and I think they had 20 years experience, something like that. Then once you're approved and then get access to your account, I would have to apply. I'm not a musician, and I'm not a booking agent, and so, unless I fabricated it and somehow got approved, I couldn't really test this. Then it's basically, I think maybe 100% automated. And I think either all of it or most of it is through email. And now if you scroll down here, it does. So the rest of this video, I'm going to discuss the features. But as far as how to, you have to get access, and then you log into your account. Now, since it uses artificial intelligence and their frequently asked questions page, it says, how does artificial intelligence help with booking? So this website is geared towards, marketed towards independent artists, booking agents, managers, any individuals that help book a Brad's E-Circuses event, also known as like a concert or a show or music. I don't know about festivals, but maybe festivals. You know what I'm saying? All right. It says that this service will match you with venues by genre, location, capacity, and then it will create personalized outreach and then organize those replies. So what that means is it's automated. It will create email messages and then even replies. All right, and then and notify you. What else does it say? Okay, messages and contacts. Oh, Gmails. See, When you have a website, you want to keep as much of it with your domain. It says yes. You get to approve messaging, and I believe you get to approve before the artificial intelligence will send out, like example, maybe invites, maybe email messages, just certain communications. I believe you get to approve. It's not like it matches you with a venue or a location, and then it just does everything, and then there's not much you can control on yourself. It says you are able to approve messaging and then send from our artificial intelligence agents Gmails. I don't know if that is a typo, but really when you have a web platform, you want to keep it localized. When you start relying on third-party services, that's when problems can arise. And it's really not that quote unquote. Me personally, I could care less, but some people, it's really not professional to use a third-party email service. You know what I'm saying? Whereas if you received emails from MusicMogulAI.com, right? And so it looks like that they use Gmail to incoming and outgoing, all right? Contacts can be seen and approved by you before there's any communications. Now they do offer some social engineering, I have about a minute. Social networking integrations, bands in town. I like techno music without vocals, but other than that, I don't listen to much music. And I don't know what that is. Bands in town. Google, okay, Stripe. Now, social media, they have integrations for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm assuming that maybe calendar items or posts or invites or maybe just an announcement, you can automate it. And if you have as long as you have a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok account, either or all of them, it will automatically post for you. That's what I'm assuming. Now, they say that you can start locally and then, grow. You can start with just a single city or then add regions and even campaigns. Now, what does it say about results? I don't know if this is true. Most users will see faster replies within the first few weeks. Yeah, booking cycles can differentiate predicate upon market and season. That's the 8-minute mark. Warning. All right, just a few more minutes here. Okay, can you use this for local bookings? It says yes, you can. If you're an independent music artist or a booking agent or maybe a manager, you can use this artificial intelligence system. From my intelligence gathering, it's basically all automated, and most of the communications is email. You know what I'm saying? You can obtain music gigs locally and even nationwide. The venue of choice, they do not need to sign up. It says right here, quote, everything is done through email. Everything is done through email. Everything is done through email. Now, some people may not like that. Now, I read an article, I'm not going to tell you the source, but I read an article where, now this individual was allegedly like a booking agent or booking manager, 20 years experience, something like that created this. Even they admitted that it's not designed necessarily just for complete automation. Set it and forget it. And there were people a little bit skeptical that you lack human communications if it's done through all email. Now you get to configure what the pay is. Do you bid? Maybe you do. Travel distance. Well, yeah, you can decide how far away you're willing to drive. Oh, the type of venue. What else? Oh, also, you can even designate whether or not you want a per diem for room and board for long distance shows. It works for both solo artists and even bands. Okay, now, how are things determined for social media posts? I don't know what this Answer is, they are determined automatically for optimized time. Oh, timings, my bad. So it looks like the booking system is automated, and then when the automated artificial intelligence posts on social media for you, then that is supposed to match and is optimized for the local time of the venue or whatnot. Well, that is this video pertaining to how to use MusicMogul AI from musicmoguLAI.com. Adios!